Hello everyone, this is Chris over at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your Dyson warranty repair needs. We get a lot of customers calling in from Lansdowne, Virginia, asking do we do Dyson repair, what type of Dysons do we work on, and we do everything from their canister vacuums, their cordless vacuums, upright vacuums, and even some of their appliances. Appliances that Dyson has. We do everything for you guys. So basically what we need, our store is only a quick 10-minute drive from the Lansdowne Town Center. We're right off the main road, so if you're having trouble finding us or anything like that, it's very easy, very convenient parking. Again, we're right off the main road, so it's not hard to find us at all. We do all Dyson warranty repairs on all their products and lines, from their cordless vacuums and everything. So it doesn't matter the age or how new it is, bring it into us and we can handle all that warranty stuff for you. So typically we do a couple things. What we'll need from you is when you come in for your warranty, we are here 7 days a week. There's no appointment needed. You just come in, we work off a first come, first served basis. Let us know what's going on with the vacuum when you bring it in. We'll then look at it. We will need a proof of purchase or receipt of purchase, as well as some basic information, name, phone number, address, things like that. Then we will send it back to our certified technician to look at the vacuum to get a better diagnosis as to what's wrong with it. Once we determine what the issue is, we then will work for you, send all that information to the manufacturer, and then once they approve the warranty and the parts, we then will get them sent to us and then install those parts needed to get your vacuum back up and running. Once completion is done, we then shoot you a call, or give you a call or shoot you a text letting you know that the vacuum is ready for pickup. We handle all Dyson repair warranty stuff here in-house, so we don't send it off or anything like that. We take care of all of it right here at our location. So if you have a vacuum or a canister vacuum or a cordless vacuum that's just not running adequately, or if you feel like something's wrong with it and you're within the warranty, please come see us. And if you have a question, whether it's inside the warranty or whether it's could it be covered under warranty, you could always call us here at 703-997-9292. We are here for any of your Dyson repair needs and warranty needs. So come see us first. If you haven't liked us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, as well as YouTube, please go and do that. We appreciate everybody that watches our videos and supports local businesses. And if you are in need of a Dyson warranty repair, please come see us first. We will help you get your vacuum back up and running and get you back up and vacuuming. For questions, call us or stop in, and we're here 7 days a week. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Follow us for more. Have a good one.